How to use generative fill in Photoshop Beta. Hi there, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to use the generative fill feature here with the new Photoshop Beta. So first thing, you need to open the application. You can access Photoshop Beta through the Adobe Creative Cloud Beta apps. So the first thing that you'll need to do here is once you have the application open, all you have to do is click on open, or you can start with a new file. Here with open, you can open a image that you currently have in your computer or in your device, and you can use that to start creating your own images, or you can start editing the image with the generative fill feature. So here what I'm trying to do is opening a image. Here I will be using this field image here, and we will be editing that later on, wherein we will add a few details and a few subjects into this image. So the first thing you'll need to do here is on the right side panel of the screen, you need to right click on your mouse and then just duplicate the layer, and you just need the background or the original layer to be hidden. So you just need to click on the eye icon right beside the layer, and we will do the edits on the copy or the copy of the layer. So what you need to do is click on the rectangle tool, and then just simply select the area where you want to change it and click delete on your keyboard. And then all you have to do is click on generative fill on the bottom part, and then it will allow you to write the prompt. So let's say I will add a lake into this image. We just need to wait for this to fully load. And there you have the three options by generating three images that has lake in it. So this is the first one, and the second one right here, as you can see, it also connects, or it also has reflections in the water, which makes it more realistic. But I'd like to generate another set of images here, like this one. And I think I'll go with the third image that was generated on the second batch. So what you need to do is that once you're satisfied with it, you can just go ahead and click on the background copy or the copied layer. And then all you have to do is add some more details into your image. So click on the background layer here, and then what we will do is we will change the sky color. So all you have to do is click on the quick select tool, or you can also use the magic wand tool. So here, and then all you have to do is hold the shift key and then select all the other areas that are currently not selected yet. Or you have another option to use the quick select tool, and all you have to do is simply drag it around the area where you want the selection to be. Here, let me just finish selecting the area right here. You can just keep on, if you will be using the magic wand tool, you just need to keep on holding the shift key so that the area will be selected. But right here, we will just use the quick select tool, so you can have that, and then click on generative fill feature, like this button right here. And when you click on generate fill, you just type in the prompt. So what I can do here, or what I currently am doing, is that after I selected the area where I want the changes to be in, I also clicked on delete, or typed in delete onto my keyboard, and then after that, once the background is deleted, I will be typing in the prompt, wherein I will like to add a sunset into the background. Just wait for this to fully load. And there you have the sunset. But I have three options here as the Photoshop beta generates for us, so we will just choose what image fits best. But if you're not satisfied with the image that were generated, you can go ahead and regenerate the image, or regenerate the prompt rather. So right here, so we'll choose the third image here, And after that, what we will do is we will add a subject into our image. So what we will do is go to lasso tool and then select the area where you want the subject to be in. So for example, I want the subject to be in this area. No need to delete the background, so you just simply click on Generative Fill button and then type in the subject that you want to add into your image. So let's say golden retriever and then click on generate. So as you generate the image, as you can see, it automatically creates another layer into your project. Right here, just wait for this to load. And there you have 3 images of the golden retriever. One is laying down, one is standing up. And as you can see, it also follows the lighting or where the light is coming from in the image. So I will choose this first image right here, and that would be our subject into the image that we have. So another thing that we can do is also we can add a structure into the image. So all you have to do is similar to how we added the subject. We just simply need to select the area where you want to place the structure. So let's say you want to add a cottage or a house or a tent. You can definitely add that here. So for example, we want the structure to be at the corner. I'll just change the side to be right here, and then click on generative fill and then simply type in add cottage, and then it will generate different types of cottages for you. So 3 options to choose from, and then you just need to make sure that with the layer that the image were generated, it should be on top, or it should be at the topest layer so that you'll be able to see that and it will not be covered by the other layers that we did earlier. So you can just browse into these images, and as you can see, it really is seamless into the image, but I will just remove this since I'd like the um, dog to be the main focus or the main subject into our image that we've edited. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to use the generative fill feature here in Adobe Photoshop Beta. So you can see as you look into the original image that we have, and then as we turn it or as we hide the original image, you can see that there's a very big difference, and it really allows you to be flexible in your edit here with Photoshop Beta. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!